People don't realize this until it's too late. But the car you choose can quietly cost you thousands of dollars every year in insurance alone. Two cars can have the same price, the same fuel costs, even the same maintenance. Yet one of them drains your wallet every single month because of high insurance premiums. And today, I'm going to show you exactly which cars in the United States are the cheapest to insure in 2025, and more importantly, why insurance companies love them. By the end of this video, you'll know how to avoid the biggest mistake that most car buyers make and how to keep hundreds of dollars in your pocket every year. Most people shop for a car based on looks, features, horsepower, or monthly payment. But insurance companies look at something completely different. They care about how often the car is in accidents, how expensive it is to repair, how likely it is to be stolen, and how risky the driver profile usually is. That's why two people with the same driving record can pay completely different insurance rates just because of the car they drive. So before we reveal the cheapest cars, let's quickly understand what makes a car cheap to insure. Cars that are safe, reliable, and boring are actually your best friends. They have lower repair costs, fewer claims, and less aggressive driving behavior associated with them. On the other hand, sporty cars, luxury brands, and performance vehicles almost always come with higher premiums, even if they are affordable to buy. Now, let's get into the real list. One of the cheapest cars to insure in the USA is the Subaru Outback. Insurance companies love this car because it has strong safety ratings, all-wheel drive for stability, and a very calm driver profile. Most Outback owners are families or professionals who drive carefully, and that reduces risk in the eyes of insurers. The average annual insurance cost for a Subaru Outback is often hundreds of dollars less than a midsize SUV from a luxury brand. Another car that consistently ranks among the cheapest is the Honda CR-V. This is one of the most popular SUVs in America, and because it is everywhere, parts are cheap and easy to replace. Repair costs are lower, safety ratings are excellent, and the driver behavior is generally safe. Insurance companies see this as a low-risk vehicle, which means lower premiums for you. Next is the Toyota Corolla, which might be the king of low-cost ownership. It's not just cheap to buy and fuel, but also one of the cheapest to insure. Corollas are rarely involved in aggressive driving incidents. They have low repair costs, and their safety technology keeps improving every year. This combination makes them extremely attractive to insurance providers. Another surprisingly cheap car to insure is the Mazda CX-5. It looks sporty, but insurance companies don't treat it like a sports car. It has strong crash test ratings, good reliability, and affordable parts. The result is a vehicle that looks premium but still keeps insurance costs low. Then we have the Honda Civic, which is similar to the Corolla but slightly more expensive in some states. Still, compared to most sedans, the Civic remains one of the cheapest to insure because of its safety, reliability, and massive availability of parts. Now here's where many people get confused. They think that newer cars are always more expensive to insure, but that's not always true. Cars with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control can actually reduce your premium. Insurance companies know these systems prevent accidents, so they reward safer vehicles. Another huge factor is repair costs. If a bumper, headlight, or side mirror is expensive to replace, your insurance will be higher. That's why luxury brands like BMW, Mercedes, and Audi cost significantly more to insure, even when they are older or cheaper to buy. The same logic applies to electric cars. While EVs save money on fuel, many of them cost more to insure because battery replacement and specialized repairs are expensive. That's why cars like the Tesla Model 3, although affordable to run, often come with higher insurance premiums than a Corolla or Civic. So how can you lower your insurance even more? First, choose a car that is known for safety and reliability. Second, avoid sporty trims and turbocharged engines. Third, increase your deductible slightly if you can afford it. And fourth, bundle your insurance if possible. But the biggest secret is choosing the right car from the start. When you pick a vehicle that insurance companies already trust, you'll automatically save money every single month. Now imagine this. You save $50 per month on insurance. That's $600 per year. Over 5 years, that's $3,000. That's money you could use for vacations, upgrades, or simply keeping in your savings account. If you're serious about owning a car that doesn't destroy your budget, then subscribe to this channel, because here we break down the real cost of cars in the USA, not the marketing hype. And before you buy your next car, check the insurance costs first. Because the cheapest car is not the one with the lowest price tag, it's the one that costs you the least over time.